I've been building cars for other people for far too long. Now, I'm taking things in a different direction. At my new shop, ArcLight Fabrication, I'm designing aftermarket truck parts, building unique vehicles that I've always wanted to build, and I'm having more fun doing it. I've handpicked a team of the best builders from across America to join me. Building these custom vehicles will challenge our skills and experience on every level. And when they're done, we'll put each one to the test. I'm Aaron Kaufman, and this is Shifting Gears.
It is mucho heavy.
So with Aaron being gone, it's all hands on deck because we got tons of stuff to do. First up is a mock-up placement of the motor and the trans. Industrial injection dropped off our 4BT. Looks like we can get it back there pretty far, huh?
Yeah. Set it down? Yeah, you're pretty close to center, I think.
Took the motor and trans and dropped the chassis to see if it would fit.
Oh, whoa, 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 easy, skipper.
It's right there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Damn it.
It's really close. We're just gonna take off some of these clamps and rotate the turbo down so that we have a little bit more clearance on the motor, because right now the motor won't physically fit between the frame rails. Yeah, that'll get it.
Cool.
Okay. All right, that's good. When that thing landed, blew my mind. So cool. That's damn near crank sitting over the axle.
Sweet.
That's pretty dang cool. So the transmission we're using is a 6L80E that's been beefed up quite a bit from Monster Transmissions. It should be able to withstand the punishment that we're going to put through it.
I'm Aaron Kaufman, and this is Shifting Gears.